The Internet of Things is making the world smarter, which means a healthier, safer, more productive, more sustainable environment for people and planet. Made possible by the power of connections. If your business is creating digital transformation through IoT, you know that LoRaWAN is critical for connection success. At the LoRa Alliance, we are committed to developing and promoting the LoRaWAN standard for end-to-end LPWAN network connectivity. But our members know the power of connection extends beyond technology to the people and companies that make up the LoRaWAN ecosystem. That's why we're one of the fastest-growing alliances in the technology sector. IoT companies all over the world rely on the connections they make by joining the LoRa Alliance. Working together, LoRa Alliance members grow their companies, get to market faster, become more profitable, and open doors for one another. These are a few of their stories. Imagine what you can achieve when you join the LoRa Alliance.
With IoT, it really takes a village to make these projects happen. For example, we're working with Helium, Microshare, and some of our ODM partners to roll out a pest control capability. Obviously, that takes a number of different companies and customers all utilizing the Alliance framework to collaborate. Having that framework in place significantly accelerates our development and time to market. The Alliance gives LoRaWAN a central industrial voice to advance the technology. So whereas some companies have tried to do this in a proprietary manner, having a neutral alliance and uniform standards opens the door to wide-scale adoption and also makes simplification for IoT a reality.
There are a lot of great examples of where the Alliance has helped us. Let me start with one of our biggest accomplishments as we all went through COVID in the last 2 years. Because of our deep relationship with Microsoft introduced us to GlaxoSmithKline, and they chose one of our solutions based on a lot of curling technology that we met through the Alliance. And it was a combination of Bluetooth and LoRa that allowed us to deliver the first contact tracing solution in the world.
Hello, I'm Jaylin from Milesight. As a fast-growing AIoT solution provider, we have experienced inspiring communications and beneficial interactions within LoRa Alliance since 2019. In fact, in our recent IQ project, where 47,000 IQ sensors were deployed in schools across Quebec, Canada, we have received constructive advices from Semtech. We are more than glad to be part of this promising community. Hope you do as well.
Once I got involved with the LoRa Alliance through CNET and started to understand how everything worked from a technology perspective and who are the major players in the ecosystem, I started to think about opening my own entity focused in LoRaWAN services and solutions. And I took the leap of faith, got a bunch of investors to back me, and decided to launch a business in India. I really wouldn't have done that if I didn't have the partnership with CNET that was supporting me from a LoRaWAN network server, OSS services, but also having the understanding of the ecosystem and already have been introduced to so many companies. It made me feel very confident that I could launch this business in India.
A great benefit of being part of the LoRa Alliance is the ecosystem of companies that it brings together, spanning all areas of IoT, from device manufacturers to solution providers, systems integrators, LoRaWAN network server providers, and application developers. Shortly after joining the LoRa Alliance in 2015, I was introduced to activity from Semtech. At the time, my team was looking at various LoRaWAN network server provider companies. Being on the other side of the world makes it quite difficult, and this is where the tight-knit ecosystem of the LoRa Alliance really comes together to provide benefits for operators such as Enenco.
As these member stories illustrate, whether you're talking about technology or organizations, powerful networks rely on secure, reliable connectivity. Membership in the LoRa Alliance delivers a high return on investment. As a member, you can readily achieve growth by promoting your brand and products to the very companies that need them, networking at events, presenting to highly engaged audiences to raise your profile and credibility, learning best practices from industry giants, and much more. Join the Alliance today, and you'll also gain access to our recently expanded list of benefits, designed to maximize business value for current and future members. The LoRa Alliance is committed to increasing the power of connection, both through promoting the LoRaWAN standard and by growing a large dynamic ecosystem of member companies. Working together, we can change the world. Grow your connectivity, grow your business. Join the LoRa Alliance today.